At Eurosatory 2026, Cockerill Defense officially unveiled the FENRIS, a groundbreaking 6.6 armored combat vehicle that combines mobility, firepower, and battlefield versatility. Weighing 26 tons in combat configuration, Fenris stands out as the only vehicle in its class equipped with a high-pressure 105mm NATO gun. Developed following Cockerill Defense's acquisition of Arquus, the platform showcases the integration of advanced weapon systems and proven vehicle engineering to meet the evolving requirements of modern land warfare. The Fenris was created in response to a growing demand among armed forces for highly mobile direct-fire support platforms. Reconnaissance units operating ahead of friendly forces often encounter enemy armored vehicles and require sufficient firepower to neutralize threats quickly. These technologies allow it to adapt to challenging terrain, overcome obstacles, and reduce its silhouette in combat. The ability to assume hull-down firing positions gives Fenris an operational advantage typically associated with much heavier main battle tanks. Built on a new Arquus-developed 6.6 chassis derived from technologies used in the French armies. Jaguar reconnaissance vehicle, Fenris emphasizes mobility as a key survival factor. Powered by a quiet yet powerful 500 horsepower engine, the vehicle features active suspension and a centralized tire inflation system. These technologies allow it to adapt to challenging terrain, overcome obstacles, and reduce its silhouette in combat. The ability to assume hull-down firing positions gives Fenris an operational advantage typically associated with much heavier main battle tanks. At the heart of the Fenris is the Cockerill 3105 turret, which houses a lightweight high-pressure 105mm gun compatible with all standard NATO ammunition. The turret incorporates a next-generation fire control system with artificial intelligence support for rapid target detection and engagement. Fully stabilized on two axes, the weapon can engage targets on elevated terrain, urban structures, or from concealed positions. This combination of advanced sensors, precision firepower, and AI-assisted targeting significantly enhances battlefield effectiveness and crew survivability. Beyond its impressive firepower, Fenris integrates modern counter-drone protection through the Hornets CUA's Commander's Sight system, combining surveillance optics, a remote weapon station, and anti-drone capabilities into a single package. The system improves both protection and stealth. While not intended to replace main battle tanks, Fenris complements them by providing reconnaissance units and infantry formations with highly mobile direct fire support. Air-transportable by the A400M and optimized for rapid deployment, Fenris offers a compelling solution for militaries seeking a balance of mobility, firepower, and strategic flexibility.